Good morning students and welcome to our YouTube channel Gnan Manjari Modern School. So in the previous video we have just seen the chapter, we are going through the chapter number 2 that was playing with numbers. In that we have seen the prime number and the composite number. See here, there are the rules, steps that I am reading it again quickly. Number one is neither prime number nor composite number. Cross out it. Number 2 is a prime number. Do not cross out this out, but all the multiples of 2 are composite, so cross them out. In other words, are crossing out all composite number which are multiples of 2. Number 3 is a prime number, so do not cross this out, but cross out all multipliers of 3 as they are all composite numbers. Number 4 and its multipliers have already been crossed out when we crossed out the multiples of 2 and the 4 itself is a multiple of 2. Number 5 is a prime number, so do not cross it out. Cross out all the other multiples of 5. Number 6 and all its multiples are crossed out when we cross out the multiples of 2 and 3. Number 7 is a prime number, do not cross it out or cross out all the multiples of 7. The multiples of 8, 9 and 10 have already been crossed out when we cross out the multiples of 2, 3 and 5. Number 1 and all the composite numbers up to 100 have been crossed out, so the number left uncrossed in the table are all prime numbers. This method of finding prime number is known as arithmetic, Steve named after the Greek mathematician. Okay students, now just starting with the co-prime numbers. So what are co-prime numbers? Let us see that. Co-prime number. Okay students, co-prime number. See here, two numbers that have only one as a common factor are known as co-prime number. See here, I am just writing the definition on the board. Two numbers that have only one as a common factor are known as co-prime numbers. Okay students, this is co-prime number, and see here there is an example 13. Example 13. See here there is a question, are 35 and 39 co-prime numbers? So first of all we have to find out its factor. So how we will find its factor? 35 5 sevens are 7 ones are and 1 ones are. Okay students, this is the first, and 39 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 13 ones are 13, 1 ones are 1. So we get the factor as 35, which has 7, 5, 1 and 39 as 3, 13, 1. So here you can see that only a factor 1 is common here. So these both are the co-prime numbers, means see here the numbers that have only 1 as a common factor are known as co-prime numbers, means the factors have only one common, else the another factor will be not be common, is known as co-prime number. Okay students, now see here it is twin primes. What are twin primes? Let us see that. Let us again consider table 2.4. See here we have to consider the table 2.4. See here it is in the page number 32 on the left hand side. The prime numbers 17 and 19. See here 17 and 19 have got only one number, 18 is between them. In other words, these two primes are close to each other with a gap of only one number. Such pairs of prime numbers are called twin prime numbers. Okay students, 17 is the twin prime of 19 and vice versa, means the prime number which have only one number gap, means 17 and 19 is there, that both are the prime numbers, but in between there is an 18. So this only have one digit gap, so these are twin prime numbers. See here now prime triplets. So what are prime triplets? Let us see that. Prime triplets. See here, first of all writing the definition of prime triplets over here in the board, that is a set of three consecutive prime number differing by 2 is called prime triplets. See here there is an example, that is 3, 5, 7 is one of the example of prime triplets. Okay students, see here what is prime triplets. See here a set of consecutive prime numbers differing by 2 is called prime triplets, means 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7. This has 2 digits gap. Okay students, 2 will not come because 2 after 3 it's just next after the 2, so there is no differentiating, means a gap bit of 2 numbers, so 2 will not come here. 3, 5 and 7, and also 5, 7 and 9. Okay students, this have, see here I am writing here 5, 7, 9. See here 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9, and then after comes 7, 9, 11. 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 2 11. Okay students, so these are some of the prime triplets. Now see here moving towards even number and odd numbers. See First of all, what are even numbers? We all know that even numbers, odd numbers, even numbers and odd numbers. See here, what are even numbers? We know that 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 up to the infinity. These are the even numbers. And what are odd numbers? That is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are the odd numbers. In that you can see that all the even numbers are divisible by 2. See here, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Okay students, but in odd number it is not possible. Okay students, see here, I am just reading the description given in your textbook, that is the multiplies of 2 are called even numbers, or we say that the numbers which are exactly divisible by 2 are called even numbers. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. The numbers that are not divisible by 2 are known as odd numbers. See here, the numbers which are divisible by 2 are even numbers. The numbers which are not divisible by 2 are odd numbers. Okay students, see here, their examples are also given, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. Now moving towards our next topic, that is divisibility test. The exercise 2D remaining question, you have to do it by your own. Okay sir, if you have any doubt you can just message me that sir I have here doubts, and I will just when I get free I will just take picture of the solution and just send it to you. Okay students, now divisibility test. So first of all, what is divisibility test? Let us see that. See here, tests of divisibility. Now first of all we will see the introduction part of that in your textbook. Just I am reading that. An understanding of the test of divisibility is very helpful in finding the factors of a given number. Factors are useful for dividing a collection of these things into equal groups. For example, 24 pastries can be packed in a box containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 or 12 pastries in each box. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 and 12 are factors of 24. Okay students, see here, according to the factors we have to see the divisibility test. So first of all we will see the first divisibility test, that is of 2. Divisibility by 2. See here, what is divisibility by 2? See, all the first of all even numbers are just divisible by 2. We can see some of the examples over here. See, if 10 is even number, it is divisible by, yes, 5s are 10, and another, if we take 50, it is also even number, it is divisible by 2, yes, 2 2s are 4, here remains 1, 10, 2 5s are 10. Okay students, So these are some of the examples of the divisibility test. See here, I am just reading the description over which is given in your textbook. That is, consider the number 38. We all know that 10, 20, 30, 40, etc. are divisible by 2, as 10 is a multiple of 2. All the multiples of 10 are also divisible by 2. So in 38, 30 is divisible by 2. We have to check whether 8 the unit place digit is 38 is divisible by 2. Since 8 is divisible by 2, 38 is also divisible by 2. See here, considering the numbers 1 1 3 2 1 2 1 3 4 1 1 5 4 6 1 2 1 1 2 8 and 2 1 2 3 2 4 0, it is difficult to say whether they are divisible by 2 just by looking at them. Now the digits at the ones place are 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0 respectively. When these numbers are divided by 2, the remainder is 0. Thus a number is divisible by 2 if the digit at the ones place is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay students, see here in the description they have said that if in the unit place, in the ones place, or there is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. In the any of the number, if in the ones place there is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If in the ones place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, okay students, it's there, then it is divisible by 2. See here, this is the divisibility test by 2. Now going towards 3. Checking the divisibility test of 3. See here, you can see the number. There is a table given here. See here, dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder, sum of the digit. See, let us see what happens when we divide a number by 3. Observe the remainder and the sum of the digits of a number in each of the digit. See here, when 1 is divided by 3, we get 0, 1, 1. When divided by 10 divided by 3, then we get 3, 3, 1 as a remainder and 1. 11, 3, 3, 2 remainder, sum of digit 2. 12, yes, 12, 3, 4, 0, 3. 24, yes, it is divisible. 100, no. 126, yes, it is divisible. See here, in the 3 divisibility test of 3, in the table you can just see that if the sum of the digit is divisible by 3, then it is divisible by, that number is divisible by 3. See here, there is a given example, that is example number 14. In that we have to check 8, 1, 3 divisibility test. See here, let us see this. See here, first of all, what we have to do? We have to do the total of these number, that is 8 plus 1 plus 3. So 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. We have to check that 12 is divisible by 3. 3 4s are 12. See here, where the remainder remains 0, 0. So this number is divisible by 3. Okay students, this number is divisible by 3. Why? First of all, we have to total of that place is 8 plus 1 plus 3, that is 12. Then after we have to see that 12 is divisible by 3. Yes, it is divisible by 3. Then this number is divisible by 3. See here, and another example, that is example number 15 is given. In that we have to check the 7 to 1. 7 to 1 is divisible by 3 or not. See here, let us see that first of all what we have to do. 7 plus 2 plus 1. So 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Is 10 divisible by 3? 3 3s are 9. Here remainder remains 1. No, it is not divisible by 3. 10 is not divisible by 3. So here this number is not divisible by 3. Okay students, this number is not divisible by 3. Now moving towards divisibility test of 4. Now moving towards divisibility test of 4, but before going to fourth, I was just again repeated this, that if you have to check the divisibility test of 3, then what we have to do, the number which is given to you, you have to make the sum of that, that is here 8 plus 1 plus 3, then we get the answer 12. So is that number, the total number which we get is divisible by 3? Yes, then this number is divisible by 3. But here see here, the 7 plus 2 plus 1, it is not 10 is not divisible by 3. Okay students, so what happened? This number is not divisible by 3. Okay students, now moving towards fourth divisibility test of 4. See here, now divisibility test of 4. See here, first of all I am just reading the description which is given over here. See here, consider the number 324. We know that 100, 200, 300, 400 etc. are divisible by 4, as 25 into 4 is equal to 100. In 324, 300 is divisible by 4. So we have to check whether 24 is divisible by 4. It is divisible by 4, as 6 4s are 24. So the number 324 is divisible by 4. Okay students, see here, a number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by the last 2 digit of the number is divisible by 4. Which of these numbers are divisible by 4? See here, going towards example number 16. Example number 16. In that example number 16, A, that is 736, and B, that is 970. Okay students, 970. So first of all we have to see these numbers are divisible by 4 or not. So in your textbook it was written that the last 2 digit of that number is if divisible by 4, then this number is divisible by 4. So here first of all we will go to this one, example number 16b, that 70 is divisible by 4 or not. 4 ones are 4, 3 remaining 0. What will come? 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 7 4s are 4 7s are 28. Here remains 2. Okay students, here the remainder is 2, so this number is not divisible by 4. This number is not divisible by 4. Okay students, this number is not divisible by 4. Now going towards 16a, here 36. See here, let us see 36 is divisible by 4 or not. See here, 4 9s are 36. Okay students, yes, it is divisible by 4. Then we have to write that this number is divisible by 4. This number is divisible by 4. Okay students, if you have to note down this, you can note down. Now it's time for your homework students. Please note down your homework. So your today's homework is students, you have to do example number 13 to 16 in your example book and exercise 2D remaining sums and from exercise 2E you have to do question 1, 2 and 3. Question 1, 2, 3 in your fair book. These things of exercise you have to directly do in your fair book. Okay students, up till then stay safe, stay home. Okay, bye students.